Hey friends, sorry about that. This is the second video link, okay? I hit stop by mistake, so I'm continuing right from where the first one cut off, so don't worry. There will be a part 1 and a part 2 in the video link, so go ahead and use both parts of this video to go ahead and watch the lesson, okay? So you'll see it says drama part 1, drama part 2. All right, and Ms. Weir and Ms. Zoo Tavern both know this, so I will email them and let them know. All right, we're good. Okay. So anyway, picking up from where we left off, we have 2 strips, my friends. So now the next thing that we want to do is to tape them together with some Scotch tape and use the parts to create a band. So let me go ahead and get my Scotch tape ready. Now notice I'm going to tape the band. I'll show you what I did after I tape it. All right. So one goes here. So make sure it's super thick so it sticks together. All right, and let's see, one there, and another, let's see, goes on the other side. So make sure there's tape on both sides, friends, and I'll show you when I'm done. All right, so here we go, friends. Here's tape on one side connecting the first part, tape on the other connecting another part. Now we want to tape these 2 sides together so we're able to get something that fits around our heads. Okay, let's see what we can do. Now, get more tape on both sides here. And we should be good to go, my friends. All right, there it is, a perfect headband to wear on top of your head. There we go. So we have that. Excellent. But something's missing. Let's take a look at my first one. All right, we still need eyes, like the caterpillar, and we need antenna, like the caterpillar. All right, so here we go. Okay, let's see what we can do. Now, let me here? Yellow. All right. So you see the outer part of the eyes are yellow, right? And the inner part is green. So you will need yellow and green construction paper. Perfect. All right. So let's go ahead and all right. Draw some circles. Now we have to make sure that the eyes can fit, right? So we need to take a look at our bands, take a look at the size, and take a look and see what eyes will fit. So here we go. So I've drawn 2 eyes. Here are my 2 eyes. Once again, be safe with scissors. So I'm going to cut circles to get the outer part of the eyes real quick. All right. Okay. Ooh. Excuse me, friends. Pardon me. Okay. Okay. All right. So, if you have little crooked or jagged edges, make sure you cut those. See, I have a little bit hanging off. So cut that so we get as round of an eye as we can. Doesn't have to be perfect, friends, right? But let's put, now here's the thing. You can either tape the eye onto here, or you can glue it, right? I'm going to use tape because it's not as messy. So I'm going to get some tape, put it on the back, and if you use tape, you can have a grown-up help you with this. You fold the tape like this so it sticks perfectly. Oops. There we go. And on it goes. And our eye can go on here. The first eye, anyway. And we need one more, so we'll cut out the other one. Okay, we have this one. All right, so we have one there. Let's put another one on here. Actually, let me readjust my eyes. So put one there, and I'm going to put the other one on with some tape. Okay, friends, and let's put the other eye on. All right, so we have the outer eyes for the caterpillar. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect, friends, right? You notice this one's a little smaller, but on my other one, right, this one is not as much of a circle as that one, so don't worry if it's not exact, right? just as long as we have a caterpillar. Okay, now we need the green part to go inside the yellow part. So we need 2 smaller circles that fit in there. So I'm going to draw those. All right, let's go like this. This should work. Okay, here we go, friends. Now I have my 2 smaller circles. I'm going to cut those out so they go inside the yellow. All right. These you'll have to cut very carefully so you don't lose anything. All right. Okay, cut off any jagged edges if you have any. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. And cut another one. Okay. All right, so I need a super small piece of tape for these. All right, so let's see if this works. All right. Now, I made my caterpillar's eyes a little smaller on this one, but like I said, it doesn't matter what the size is, just as long as you have it. All right. And last one. Perfect. Okay, so here is the caterpillar's eyes, right? So we have his eyes. Now, we just need some antenna, like this one, right? So we have that. That's our last step, friends. So the antenna, as you can see from this sheet I cut the old ones on, should probably go almost halfway up the page. You can make them as big or small as you want, but I'm going to make them about halfway. So I'm going to draw some. All right, here we go. All right, so I made mine a little thinner than the other ones, guys, but that's okay. All right? Doesn't have to be the same. You guys can all have different ones. All right. Try to cut as closely in the lines as you can. Okay. All right, friends, now, for the antenna, it might be a better idea, actually, to staple them with a stapler than to use tape, because it's hard to keep them on with tape. So make sure you ask a grown-up, a parent or another grown-up, or even a big brother or big sister, to help you put your antenna on. All right, give me 1 second here. And let's cut off this little part. Excellent. All right, I'm going to staple my antenna to my head. Ready? 1. And let's get the other one. 1 and 2. Okay. So, oops, whoopsie. Let's try that again. Okay, I think I got it this time, guys. So, boom. 2 antenna, and here is my brand new Caterpillar, all right? So it doesn't exactly look like my old one, but we have some antenna, and we have the eyes, and we have our headband. So you have made your very own Caterpillar head. All right, my friends, have fun with this. We'll talk about moving with it on a different day or on Thursday, right? Because we have Passion Project on Wednesday. But have fun, be safe, ask your parents for help if you need it, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, bye, friends.